So what this is really some thinking in here, thinking about how you're currently doing things or how you would like to do things. And it's asking you to think about your hiring and onboarding challenges. So based on your last few hires, or maybe just what you know about hiring in the past, where do you feel like things break down? Right. So I know, Shonda, you had some questions about, what's the gap between when I interview and when they get in the classroom. So you would want to put whatever those challenges are in here. And then we start to play around with some solutions. Okay, you know what? Now that I think about it, I'm asked if we use the example of, are you familiar with ages and stages? Maybe then the solution is what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust how I ask the questions and get a little more specific and ask these. That would be an example of a solution to that thing. So what we're trying to do is identify what the challenges are and what are some possible solutions so that we can adjust or we can strengthen our hiring process or our 90-day training. Because I feel like the thing in life and in this business is we've been doing the same thing forever. It's some adjustments that have to be made.